step that. I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track. Back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness. But my mama also, she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can't fight for it. So it's a Kuna Matata, beast on the water, pray to provider, please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone brighter. Yeah, all the mind if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. The same shit they be pushing, yo, but it's got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. But some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call.
me, Mario!
Hail to the king, baby!
Hey boys, good morning, man. Oh man, I like that song. It kind of reminded me of She Wants Revenge. I like that band. Okay. Oh, honey, get upstairs now. Go. I'm live. Okay? You gotta go upstairs. Oh, man, crazy little bugger. Kids are up. Anyways, okay. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Hey, how's it going? Good stuff. Good to see you. All right, we have Conum in studio in the house. Paul Peck Drywall Tube. Me Dibble. How's it going, brother? Good stuff, guys. So, yeah. So things are still a little funky with my rig. The picture's still a little off and whatnot. But yeah, ever since the updates, the Windows update, and I updated my GPU drivers, things have been a little off. So yeah. Tomorrow morning is the plan. We're to clear out the garage and get the concrete in because yeah, like I need to go to the eco center and it's not even it'll be open tomorrow too. So I got to work today. Man, I really hope. What the heck is this? Oh, that's the whiteboard. Yeah, I really hope I can. Hey, good morning, Aunt, buddy. Team Smoke, man. Love is love. Very cool, man. Things are pretty good. They're okay. Yeah. I just work. You know, my back is out again, and it's like, man, it keeps happening more and more now. And it's like. And right now, like you're always every time you take on a little piece of the job, you have a deadline. So yeah, I feel I'm days behind. I should be done already, but okay, yeah. You can come say hi now. Yeah, she just needed to get dressed. Yeah, somebody's just waking up saying, "Want to say good morning?"
Good morning.
Okay. Okay, I love you. Okay, we're gonna talk it, and I'll see you later. Okay. Cutie. All right. Oh, you broke your back in 2015, eh? Oh, damn, son. I had major surgery. You're good now. Damn. Hashtag dad life. Yeah, right. I know. It's awesome. Yeah, dudes. Oh man, yeah. This time I was in on Monday by myself, and I was shooting a bunch of top track into concrete, and I'm holding it in and shooting it in right on the laser line, and yeah, that's all I did all day was shoot in top track. And so yeah, man, my back ever since then was just getting worse and worse. Now I'm drywalling a unit. And like 12-foot 5/8 lids, right? Double layer 5/8 12-foot lids. It's not feeling good. That's for sure. So I hope I can actually get out of bed tomorrow. You know what I mean? But I got to get in and finish this. Tried to get some help to finish it, but the kid that I called, he was up all night on Molly, so he's not coming in to help me. So, anyways, it is what it is. So hopefully I can get it done. But all right. How many of you guys have heard of the Fastbrick Robotics, the Hadrian X? I've been following them for years now, and their 3D bricklaying robot, right? I don't wear a back brace. I don't know, man. Like, like there is the one here. Let me switch over here. I don't need to be on this page. Oh, by the way, I do have this working. I need to. Right on. Oh wait, because you have to build a power lead for an IDE, the SATA converter, and cleaning out old computer gear. OMG, I have a lot of junk. Yeah. Oh man. Once in a while, yeah, you gotta purge all your junk for sure, right? So, yeah. But I'm like the, you know, oh shoot, I just had a brain fart. Anyways, Big A. Oh, fuck. Big A had some stuff he had to do on Monday, so I ended up working alone. But yeah, he's been there. He's been there ever since. It sucks though, cause like when like I'm down, like the whole thing is down. You know, like. I need to, like, I'm the one who pushes it, right? Who pushes the work. So yeah, when I'm down, everything is down. So it's like yeah. You need to work on strengthening your abs, maybe. Actually, I know that is true, Paul. I know that is absolutely, actually, 100% true, man. I haven't been training my abs. Yeah, shower. I know, and that's funny you mentioned that. Hold on. I've taken 2 baths this week, and I don't do that. You know, I don't do the whole bath thing, and I've taken 2 this week, right? So, yeah, man, crazy. But Paul, you're right though about my abs, man. You're right. I used to have excellent ab strength, and now I don't. It's more like Molson muscle now. I know all my strength is in my shoulders and in my arms and my legs. Cutie. Yeah, that makes sense, Paul. That makes absolute sense. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Yeah, you're right. No, that's cool, man. Thanks, man. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I used to run a good routine where I would do crunches, you know, and when I bench pressed, I always lifted my legs up, you know, to tighten up the abs. But yeah, man, and jogging, running. I need to run. I need to start running. I don't, there's a field down there. I just throw on some runners and run around the field over there. Like, do laps of the football field. That's what I'm used to. Alright, let's see here. Oh my goodness. What's going on here, boys? Okay. Everything looks good on my, this end. Oyster jelly donut. That's awesome. But yeah, all legs, long distance cycle. Yeah, I played football for a long time, and I played a lot of different sports. But so I was always training, and Paul's right. You do got to train everything, you know, your whole body, you know. And yeah, lately, because I haven't been like doing a physical workouts, just work, you know. I've neglected other areas of my body, and that's not good. That's not good. Okay. Look at this, guys. Does brick size really matter? And our latest update, CTO, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So, you guys, the Hadrian, this is Fastbrick Robotics, okay? They're in the news this week again because they finally rolled out a job. They got a job, and I think I don't know if they've completed it. But we'll check it out. I think it was a few days ago that I got the notification that they had rolled out a job. But check out this. Look at this bugger. I want to make sure there's no audio in this video. Where are they? Okay, it's on YouTube. Perfect. Anyways, so this is one of the founders, this guy here, right? You can see the machine in the background, but look at this, right? So look at the thin block. So it's kind of got its own brick. 5 standard brick equivalences. So that's what this guy's saying. I don't want to play it because I don't want the audio. I don't want any music because there probably is. But yeah. The one thing trying to keep it full. I work on my that's yeah, how's mama doing? Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, we don't really care about that too much. So they got their own style of brick, which makes sense. And there's an adhesive that they use, I think is what it is. It's an adhesive. See it dripping down there? See that? It was a clear like an adhesive that it uses to stick them together. So they'll see how they're gonna print the window, the window frames, the rough openings. They're gonna trades are gonna have to run, are gonna be running conduit with these machines too. Okay, the 3D printers, these kind of like this is technically a 3D printer. Okay, the trades are still going to have to run the conduits and the pipes and the wires along with with the machines. I see like conduits being run in homes now for outlets and switches and things like that, right? Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens, man. I mean, there is apparently a huge housing shortage, right? So it's crazy to think because everywhere I look, they're building houses for miles. But boom, baby. Yeah, those are funky ones. These are funky bricks. Okay, European. So 6 standard brick, 6 standard bricks. Well, the European and American type stuff. I didn't know there was a difference. That's something I learned new. All right. Anyways. So, this company, they've been in research and development for the past 15 years. And they finally got a job, right? But let's just kind of, let's see here. Okay, Hadrian X is the first application of our dynamic stabilization technology, so DST, which measures dynamic interference and movement in real time and counteracts this movement to maintain stability and deliver unprecedented precision in variable conditions. Variable conditions, that's important, right? I think it's neat. Brick is it's unusual to do interior walls though with brick, you know. I could see this going and laying foundations, doing like commercial stuff, right? With the concrete blocks, coming in and printing the walls for that. But yeah, printing entire houses, I don't know, man. I think that's kind of a, it's quite a bit of a long shot to me. especially when it comes to interior walls. Maybe a couple of like structural walls through the middle, or or something like that. But yeah, it would be nice to have an interior brick wall, though. That would be cool to have one or two, but not all of them. It would be like living in a cave. But yeah, the idea would be to frame inside again, right? To have a drywall finished and insulated wall, right? So that's basically they're printing the shell first, or the finish almost first. Is not in that sense, right? With nothing wrong with brick walls, but you don't want everything to be brick. Hold on a second, guys. Oh. Little monsters. Oh man. Hey Jellyman, what's happening, dude? What's happening, man? Did I do any let's see here. What do we got here? Deadly. Cool, man. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, man. An overnight success? That is not true, I don't think. This was a very rocky road for these guys. There was a video I was watching, and Buddy was talking about their share price, their stock, right? And it wouldn't be a safe investment, really. It started off high, and it's lower now. They don't have cash flow. They didn't have good execution. Blah blah blah. But they did get a contract though, so I'm excited to see that. I'll do a tour of a house with internal brick wall, only one wood frame wall. Really interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I would like to have paint finish for sure. In most of the walls, I would say. I like to have the odd brick wall. Would be nice though. Okay, so here we go. July 11th, July 10th, July 11th. July 9th, the Hadrian X arrives on site. We don't really need to see it showing up. Let's see where it's at. Here. But there's also other robots too. We'll talk about a couple of them. But I do gotta go to work. I do gotta go to work today, after the stream. So I have to have this unit done by tomorrow. I'm gonna be there all night, man. But I did also start editing a new video, guys, as well. The new video is in editing. I did start that. Oh, hold on. Let's see if there's audio. Oh, and see if we can. I don't want to get music. That's the problem.
Monday and I started on.
Yeah, there's music. Oh, but the other music is done. Of course. Yeah, there is a time lapse. Okay, so check this out. So lockout, tag out, I don't know what he's locking out, tagging out, but okay. So there's still one guy, two guys, two trucks, right? There's the printer truck. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Guys, look at all the computers. Now it makes sense. Like, yeah, like that's crazy. So you need one journeyman and an apprentice to do this job, but 1, 2, 3, 4 guys and 2 trucks, right? One's a big machine. That's concerning. That's concerning. Oh, it looks like a bigger job than that. Like let's see the job. Like, I don't want to hear you talk or look at you talk. I want to see the job. We don't want to see you. We want to see the machine. All right, so there we go. Oh, so it is a house, a home, and so they doing the perimeter. It looks like, and okay, so yeah, the zoom boom, right, as well, to load load the block, right? So you got the zoom boom, the printer, and then there's another truck. And 5 guys, the operator for the boom. So yeah, that could be a little ways away from being, ready. I don't know. That's a lot of resources. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it'll take time to optimize for sure. I think it's neat because it's right on par with where printing and stuff should be, I think. And there's a lot of companies that are not doing it yet. It's crazy. So their tech will be. I see their tech being used by the big guys eventually. Shit. So yeah, man. Hold on, I'll take these off. So the Hadrian X achieves commercial lay speed. I wonder if that just means that it can lay fast enough to lay, to compete with commercial companies type thing. You know what I mean? If I hold Alt, is it Control? Yeah, there we go. All right. Flagship the Hadrian X construction robot has recorded a new peak laying rate of over 200 blocks an hour, representing a major milestone in the commercialization journey of the Hadrian X. Okay. Okay. So this is the company's second Hadrian X, the HO2. This new top speed of over 200 blocks per hour has been achieved periodically during routine testing as parts of FBR's continuous improvement program. HO2's average laying rate across a full house build has been improved significantly, and its top speed is approximately 300% faster than the rate HO1 was achieving in 2019. So yeah, it's gonna get better. Oh, here's a cost per square foot too. We've achieved so many amazing technical milestones over the last 2 years, but this is the first time that we have been able to prove the real commercial case of the Hadrian X in practice. When you consider that manual brick and block laying costs globally vary anywhere from $10 per square meter to $100 per square meter, we are already cost competitive across a broad range of the market at 200 blocks per hour. However, we are continuing to increase the lay speed and improve the Hadrian X, and accordingly, our cost of laying will continue to decrease while the market for sure. So if they're already at a competitive speed, then that tells me that they're going to beat it. They'll definitely be able to beat it. That's the thing with humans. We do have a ceiling, right? We can only do so much. but with robots, we can improve them and push them further and further and further. You know what I mean? Yes, sure, we can get stronger and whatnot, but there's always going to be a limit to what we can do. And yeah, you know, and to break any of those boundaries takes a significant amount of time. Whereas tech is, you know, it can happen quicker, right? But oh yeah, this was so yeah, 1993 it started. They were on a job and somebody had suggested, why don't you build a bricklaying robot? And they're like, okay. Right? So and this is Australian. This is Australia, an Australian company. Humans, yeah, oh my god, that is funny, man. Humans, that's funny. I tell my boss that. I know, right? Swear to God, like how, like, do you think we're magicians or robots ourselves? Like, man, oh man, I can't believe I gotta go and drywall today. It's gonna suck balls. It's gonna suck balls. This is the guy who's talking about the stock preview, right? So it was a great idea, yes. Poor execution, proof of concept, yes. Display home, no. Cash flow, no. So yeah, they because of they had a couple of bad timings. You know, the coronavirus was one, and then the other one was when they went first for the stock exchange. It was during the first financial crisis there, so I think it was like 2005 or something like that, or I don't know. But yeah, it was 1993 during a housing boom in Washington that they were on site, and somebody had said to them, "Hey man, why don't you make a bricklaying robot?" Right? So. Oh, let's see here. There's some more footage in here. Shit, I hope there wasn't any music in that. Yeah, there's more footage. The spray adhesive. So the robot sprays the adhesive on, right? I was like, I'm like, well, how is it staying together? You just go and push it over. Yeah, it sprays an adhesive on it. But it is trippy, eh? It's trippy. Curved walls, right? Curved. So, here's my question. Why can't humans use the same adhesive, right? Why can't is it maybe dangerous until it's dry or something? I don't know, but why can't a human use the spray adhesive and lay brick? Because that would also speed the human up quicker than the robot probably right now, right? Oh yeah, this is why I wanted to show this video. They show the loading part. So, do you see that thing? See that? Let's look at that again. Let's check this out again. So, look at this. Look at this special loader, like, end too. Drops it in and you know. That's the mule. That's the mule. Oh, and it still uses the mortar too. Okay. That's a good point. Oh God, the maintenance would be awful then. It would be so dirty. I wonder what the maintenance is like on that machine. Yeah, and this is the backside of it. So, oh, it's got a track. So you have to go in and set up a track for it. Or, oh, no, it's on wheels. But, interesting. These ones I like. Hey, how they just help lift it, you know? That is awesome. I like that. Yeah, man, I don't understand. Like, we have this tech, I don't know why we're not using it more. Like the back X bike, for example, you know, we're doing 12-foot 5/8 sheets on the lids. You know, why aren't we using some kind of, you know, mechanical, you know, back, you know, arm system, you know, like the back X by Suit X, you know? I was talking to to Big A about that. I'm like, man, if we had $13,000, we could buy a complete suit, right? One of the Suit X Max suits. Like, man, oh man, I'd love to try that out. You know, I wonder how many sheets we could do with, you know, with that brace on. You know, it'd be sweet to try. So yeah, that's that's neat. This is the 105, so this is the first one. The very first one that was out last year, the one that we've seen. Yeah, look at this. Oh, never mind. Look at, that's on like an excavator type of arm. Yep. That's awesome, man. I know there's a lot of work that goes into designing and patenting and like man, to do something like this, wow, it would be very, very complicated. It's impressive. It's really impressive. I feel like, you know, yeah, all these repetitive things are great. If we can free up us from these repetitive tasks, you know, then, like, this is the thing, like, I'm a piece worker, right? So the repetitive tasks are my gravy train. But yeah, like, man, oh man, it's hard for humans to do this. It's not easy, right? It's physically demanding. So, you know, and yeah, definitely, even in construction, we don't have enough workers. You know, never mind the housing shortage. We need like double the amount of workers that we have in the trades. Everyone is overworked and underpaid and pushed, right? Just pushed. You know, it's insane. But yeah, I remember this one right here, Suit X Max. Yeah. Yeah. This is the bad boy I'd love to try drywalling. Right? It's got the whole system, right? Legs, back, arm. I think that would be sick, you know? But yeah, because man, my back freaking hurts, man. It keeps going out on me. Alright, so they got a contract with Archistruct Builders and Designers. This contract will see the company supply its bricklaying service, Hadrian X, for the construction of a display home in Western Australia. The display home will then be purchased by FBR, and once built, it will be open to the public, collaborators, suppliers, and customers to promote the use of Hadrian X in home construction. Hadrian X measures wind and vibration movement and takes that into account to speed up the bricklaying process. Oh, interesting. Measures wind and vibration movement. FBR is up a steady 22.9%, and shares are trading for 4.3 cents each. So, The Market Herald. Yeah. So this could build 100 to 300 homes a year. And yeah, how many hours does it take? Good question. Good question. We have not seen that yet. You know, it looks like it's the same speed as a human would do it right now, right? That's what we're expecting. That's what we think. So yeah, it would take. It's already been on this site for 3 days. I bet you I can't. If I go back here. All right. So yeah, July 11th. So it showed up on site on July 9th. Okay. So it's been there for 3 days. What's the date today? The 12th, right? So if it's working today, which it probably is because it's a machine and it can work Sunday, but it might be noise pollution in the neighborhood. I don't know. So it may or may not be operating today, but so far it's taking 3 days to do this house. It's not done yet. It's not completed yet. So let's see the day 2 video. Right? This is the day 2 video. I love the drone footage. It's awesome. Yeah, think of a straw with the middle cut out. So yeah, there's a lot of guys on site. A lot of guys on site. That's a big print. That's a big job. That is a big job. You see all those walls, right? Let me see if we can go and pause it on the next time it shows us. Let's give us an overhead shot. Oh yeah, look, see, it can work all night too, right? And if it was quiet enough, it could work all day, all night. Oh, so you pour the slab, concrete slab. Oh, look at the angles. It's trying to get clever. There we go. Okay. So that's quite a bit. That is quite a bit of wall to lay for sure. This would take a human a while, I think, to lay all these walls. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. It looks like there's something cool going on in the house next door here too, actually. If you look over here, it looks like they're using some kind of system over here that I've never seen before either. That looks cool, man. Looks really cool. Anyways, lots of it in the news. Oh, there's a cool thing I did find. Powering robots will eat metal for energy. Eat metal for energy. What? Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania have come up with a new way to power robots. It's somewhere between a battery and a harvester. Their prototype, known as the Metal Air Scavenger, can pack 13 times the energy into the same space as a lithium-ion battery. The researchers published their work earlier this year in the journal ACS Energy Letters. What? That's incredible. Incredible. That is cool. That is pretty cool. That is some crazy Transformer shit right there. Yeah, different machines over the years, history. Yeah, eat metal, right? To produce its own energy. It's pretty insane. Ooh. Let's take a peek at this right here. World's tallest hybrid timber tower proposed in Sydney. Whoa! Look at this thing. Whoa! Wow, that is incredible. 180 meters, and look at it. Wow, I don't know, man. I'd go to visit, but I don't think I'd live there. That'd be freaky. Oh yeah. China banned skyscrapers. What's this about? Oh, the animation of a factory. So this is an eco-friendly factory in a Norwegian forest. Wow. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. Did you see the daycare and the community? That is pretty cool. Wow. That is freaking cool. Wow. I love it. I love it. Amazing. Amazing. So, fueled by a booming economy and ever-expanding urban population, China has built more skyscrapers in the last 30 years than the United States did in the entire 20th century. With relaxed planning regulations and near limitless capital, cities across the country have transformed from small regional centers into some of the most densely packed metropolises on our planet. But while this pandemic saw the construction of some of the world's tallest buildings, a decree by the country's central government has now brought the country's record-breaking skyscraper boom to an end. On April 27th, 2020, China's Ministry of Housing and Urban Rural Development issued a notice that introduced measures to further strengthen the management of urban and architectural features. The document, which the BIM-1 has translated from its original Chinese, restricts the blind planning and construction of super high-rise skyscrapers and states that new buildings over 500 meters in height are not allowed to be built. Wow. Cool. Crazy. Cool. Crazy. Anyways, but yeah, this is the Hadrian again. This is the Sam 100. This is that other bricklaying robot. Like the, we saw it a little bit. I'll show you a short video and then we'll hang out a bit before I gotta go to work. So I got about 10 more minutes. We can stream 10, 12 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. And then I gotta get ready to go to work, boys. Yay. Hopefully I'll be able to walk tomorrow, and I'll be live streaming. If I am doing the garage concrete tomorrow, I will do a live stream from the garage while I'm doing it. So again with the talking. Well, yeah, so talking about factories with robots, right? All the workers have been replaced by robots. Why not in the building sector, right? Oh yeah, we're good. Yeah, we should be good. Yeah, we're gonna set up a GoFundMe for me Dibble so you can get some computer parts. So stay tuned for that. We'll post it in the Discord. We'll post in community tab. We'll post everywhere. But watch out for that. We're gonna do something. So pay attention for that to come. So I can't wait to see how these things get better, you know, and smaller and faster, and oh man, it's gonna be amazing. Wowzers. So, yeah, that's a good question. What happened when you replace all the people with robots? Well, I think that's going to be impossible to do for over. Well, not impossible, but it's a very, very long time away that our traditional jobs will be replaced by the robots, but we'll be busy with other tasks. I think that we'll be going back to, you know, because we can get the bulk done cheap, we can go back to spending money on custom designing. So I think that actual skilled hands-on guys will be in high demand, making good money, like, you know, getting paid more, for sure, right? It's the only reason why we get paid lower now, and like, is because of the bulk, right? All the repetitive bulk stuff, you know, and then we can't concentrate on being custom, like building custom things, you know, because all the money and time is spent there. So if robots can replace the bulk, then we can go back to doing custom stuff, right? And making more. So there's a huge shortage. Like I was saying, man, we need double the amount of workers in construction, plus that combined with the housing shortage. I mean, right? Like it's yeah, it'll be a long time before we see any significant change. But super cool, man. Oh, dudes. Oh man, oh man. Oh. Music's a little chill, a little slow today, eh? I can actually change that. Let's get a little more upbeat here and wake the hell up. Come on. All right, we'll try this. Oh yeah. I want to thank all you guys for coming and hanging out with me today, this morning. Yeah, man, I couldn't do any live streams. Like I was Friday night, Saturday night, thinking about it, but I was just too much pain, man. I couldn't do it. So yeah, I could barely do it today, actually. I can't believe I gotta go and frickin' drywall again this afternoon. Yeah, anything with big change, it'll definitely cause unrest, but the people don't want to do physical jobs anymore, man. They don't, and it's gonna be just the old timers that will be be upset about it. I think, you know. I see things changing, man, and there was a different time then, you know, in the industrial taught us a lot though as well, right? What to expect and how to prepare. So I think we'll be okay. I think I'm definitely on the fence, on the side of encouraging. Oh yeah, thank you for the reminder. I have some like, it's ibuprofen type of thing. So was it naloxone or something like that? Naloxone or something? I got. So yeah, thanks. I got to get that out of the cupboard. So yeah, that's a good idea. Thanks for the reminder. I do have some. Yeah, boys. Yeah. So I do have a new video. Man, oh man, I was all week basically down in the parking garage of the building doing this crazy framing, man. It's crazy framing. It's all concrete, right? And the heights are different. Like there's different elevations. So the walls, like, you know, it's crazy, you know, and then of course the concrete is sloped on the bottom. So yeah, Jelly Duck, we're winding down. We're shutting shop down too. So I appreciate you coming, brother, man. I do. I love seeing you, man. It's good to see you on the creator. Was it not Creator Spotlight? Rants with Rogers. Yeah, it was Rants with Rogers. I saw you on. I think I met Rants with Rogers a long time. It was a long time ago. It could have been Pusa Studios, actually. It was where I met him. I was thinking about that. It would have been about a year ago. It would be a year or more I met him, so. Doubling foreigners coming in. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is a huge thing, Konaman. Yeah, like Aaron or Big A and I are the only two white guys that are on this job. Like in the drywall trade. So yeah, it's crazy. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. I've never seen anything like it. I mean, they were the Filipinos and started coming in, and then the Mexicans are here now. And not that there's anything wrong with it at all. It's just because, like I'm saying, you know, companies we're importing people. Right, paying them lower and housing them, and so it started a trend, and it's been just snowballing. And yeah, we've been seeing a decline in rates and wages, and a faster push, more push. It's crazy. It's not a good time right now to be in our trade. So, but I'm making some changes. I'm gonna be making some big changes here. When I get back from Ontario, I'm going to be pursuing more exterior steel stud jobs with you know, because I have my lift license, I have my fall arrest, I have all my tickets, you know, for everything. You know, and Aaron is a good partner, right? This is the thing I don't want. Like I get pissed because we, you know, like it takes it to be a fast good drywaller is hard. It takes a lot of years of practice, right? And I have a lot more years of practice than Aaron, right? I trained Aaron, right? I trained Big A, sorry. So it's like I was saying, when I'm down, like the whole team is down. It just goes slow, right? But with his work ethic, I think, and his knowledge he's smart. He can pick things up really quick. We can do better jobs, you know. That's the only reason why I never really pursued it. I never had a real reliable partner before, so but now I do. So, you know, I'm going to pursue different jobs when I get back. So yeah, that's that, and I'm excited for that. The studio build, I'm gonna get it framed and everything at least before I go. Hopefully I can get the insulated and drywalled. It was my goal, and then tape it when I get back, but we'll see. I'll have it at least framed out, the concrete done in the framing. So I don't know, it's just work, man. Like I can't get a day off, so I don't have any time to do it. I love you guys so much, man. Everybody for coming today. Me, Debo, Jelly Duck 100, Konaman Studio. My mom was in, Paul Peck Drywall Tube, Right on, man. It's a nice small little crowd today. It's pretty rad, man. We hit over 2,500 subscribers this week, which is cool. It was so weird. Like I was jumping between just over 25. We'll say 2501, 02, down to 2493. Like it was like it took so long to get over 2,500, and then when it did, now it's going again. But so strange. I don't know how YouTube does the subscriber thing, but it's so far out, man. But yeah, man, I'd like to thank everybody who contributed the last there. There's APEC is still up on the board, and recent subscriber CP. That's a cool one. CP, man, thanks for subscribing. Boom. Yeah, baby. Love it. Love it. There we go. Yeah. Stretch. Oh, that's kind of painful, but... so I should stop subbing and unsubbing, he says. Yeah, right? I know, it's crazy, right? It's totally crazy, man. So, Paul, I hope I didn't miss that butt joint video, right? I didn't miss the butt joint video. Are you still working on the butt joint video? But, yeah, I did take a lot of footage this week down in the parking garage. I took footage on framing, metal stud framing, on how to do it properly, like how to do frame out door openings and do your headers and stuff. And I talked a lot about layout, right? So how you should lay out your studs in relation to the drywall and stuff like that, and how to do your corners, when you're, so that your drywall can float in and you can lock your studs and stuff like that. So I talk a lot about that. I used the new DeWalt laser, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the DeWalt laser. The one that I decided not to review, I'm going to review now. So I'm going to talk about the good and the bad, and the F6, the Tues F6 as well. There's footage of that as well. So that's the framing tool. It's just pretty cool. Yeah, so a new video this week will be out, which is cool, which is really, really cool. But I gotta get going, man. I gotta get ready for work, guys. Thank you so much for coming. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Bitter truth to face, not that innocent.